and today I have come up with Ambya ukkari or mango dry curry. It's a very hot spicy dish prepared out of raw mangoes and you can use any variety of mango like totapuri, neelam or even Mohandan mangoes are best ones to prepare this curry. The dish is usually had with idli, dosha, udda, po, sandan, etc. and some people have it along with rice also. I have not used any onion or garlic in this preparation. So welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes and we will see how to prepare Ambya ukkari. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 raw mango. You can use even more than one, no harm. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder or as per your spiciness level. 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida and salt to taste. For seasoning, you need mustard seeds, urad dal. 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds and coconut oil or gingerly oil can also be used. Wash and cut the raw mangoes into cubes. You need not have to remove the peels. If the type of mango that you are using is having very thick peels, then remove the peels randomly. Add salt to the mango cubes, mix well and leave it for half an hour to 1 hour. After 1 hour, you will see that water has oozed out from the mango cubes. Do not throw this water away. Now you have to go with the seasoning. For that you need urad dal, methi seeds and mustard seeds and gingerly or coconut oil can be used. Now take a thick bottomed kadai and heat coconut oil for seasoning. I have used coconut oil for seasoning. Once the oil has heated, add the mustard seeds. When they begin to splutter, add urad dal and methi seeds. See that you do not over roast the methi seeds or else you will get the bitter smell of these methi seeds in your curry. Mango cubes along with the oozed out water, mix thoroughly and uniformly and let it cook in the oil. You close the kadai with a lid. In between, open the lid and mix and give with a spatula. Once the mangoes have cooked, add red chilli powder and saute for 1 to 2 minutes till the raw flavor of the red chilli powder goes off. Check for salt and if you find that you need to add salt, you can add at this stage. Add asafoetida in the end and mix well. Ambya ukkari or served. Serve it along with rice, idli, dosha, udda, po, sandan, etc. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.